How many names can I use to explain the love of my Jesus, the life that He gave? And so many times will I praise You today. I lift up my life, 'cause You're always the same, and my offering to You I bring. Your name is Jesus. Your name is Jesus. You're the wonderful Counselor, my friend. You're what I hold on to. I know that You brought me through all the days of loss to the cross. You knew that I need a Savior. How many songs can I sing to proclaim Your wondrous love? Oh, and beauty so great. Oh, and what would I say if You brought